Good day, ma'am and sir. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Villarino. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have three children, two girls and one boy. I live at Batangas City, Philippines. My first experience work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. I served seven members in the family, two adults and five children. My main duties are I preparing the children's breakfast and I bringing and picking up to them school. When I come back, I start cleaning the house, washing them clothes, cooking, ironing them clothes, marketing, cleaning the car, and sometimes I gardening and I teaching the children study. And my second experience work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I served four members in the family, two adults and two children. My main duties are I preparing the children's breakfast and I bringing and picking up to them school. And when I come back, I start cleaning the house, washing them clothes, cooking, ironing them clothes, and every day I go to market and every day I clean the car and sometimes I teach the children study. I hope you moms are like me because I need this job for my children to support a better life. I'm honest, trustworthy, and I'm a strong person. I hope you moms are like me and I will do my best to be like you and to be good people for you. Thank you so much, mom, and God bless.